I made a informational and interactive website related to the importance of animals in our ecosystem. So here's the home page where we have some pictures of animals and a video of sea otters. And here is the description. So here's the title, the description of the website, and the two buttons that is mainly focused on the information about animals and credits. So in the info about animals, we have 3 different animals: rhinos, whales, and polar bears. And each one talks about where they live, the food they eat, why they're endangered, and fun facts. And here, these are the rhino facts. And we can click this button to come back and pick a new animal. Here's the whales, specifically gray whales facts. And then finally, here are the polar bear facts. And then we can click the back button to end up back at the home page. So in the credits, I'm just giving credit to all the images, videos, and facts I got. So these are where I got my facts, and you can learn more facts about these animals. And then these are the buttons where I got the images and the video. So that's all I have for my website, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.